This has to do with a potential relationship in between two adults, and it ought to be managed with requisite personal privacy and regard, says Fisher. Don't share all the intimate details of a woman with your children. They never ever require to know that you think about a female to be a sexy hot mess. Share that with your pals, says Fisher. You need to describe that your dating has absolutely nothing to do with the marriage ending, or whether mother and daddy liked each other, Fisher states. It can be tricky, given that in some cases if the mom isn't dating yet, she might attempt to reject your dating in front of the kids. The kids may likewise battle with either or both moms and dad's new substantial others. The preliminary intro is a chance for your kids to check out your brand new love interest, Fisher states. Choose a really unintimidating place. Do not bring them to her home. Instead, have her come to your house and set a time limitation. This is an opportunity for them to look her over, get a sense of her. Have no expectations. It is a naive expectation males have that the lady is going to like the kids, says Brott. Never assume your kids do not get it. They do. Even toddlers who would be fine with a female sleeping over develop into teenagers and after the teens, and if you have actually been cavalier about slumber parties when they are 3 or 4, it is simple for them to get lulled into doing it as they age. This material is created and preserved by a third party, and imported onto this page to help users offer their email addresses. You might have the ability to find more info about this and comparable content at. Those are exaggerations undoubtedly, however a lot of males are typically trying to fit into one of those functions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.